Types of AI. When we think about artificial intelligence, we often imagine high-tech robots or smart computer systems like in science fiction movies. But AI isn't always about robots or futuristic technology. It's actually a broad field that includes different types, each with its own unique features and uses. It's like different flavors of ice cream. Each one is unique, but they are all still ice cream. The first type of AI we'll talk about is narrow AI. This is the most common type of AI that we see around us today. It's designed to do a specific task, like recommending songs on your music app or helping your GPS find the fastest route home. The next one is general AI. This is the type of AI that can understand, learn, and do any intellectual task that a human being can. It's like a human mind in a machine. But remember, this kind of AI only exists in theory and movies right now. We don't have it in real life yet. Then there's super intelligent AI. This is a type of AI that not only matches but surpasses human intelligence in almost all economically valuable work. It's the most advanced type and still more in the realm of science fiction than reality. So, these are the three types of AI: narrow, general, and super intelligent AI. Each one is interesting in its own way, and each has its own strengths and challenges. We'll dive deeper into each one in the next sections. Stay tuned. Narrow AI. You may have heard of the term narrow AI. It sounds like a strange term, doesn't it? But really, it's a simple concept. This is the type of artificial intelligence that we encounter in our day-to-day lives. It's called narrow because it's designed to perform a specific task. Think of it like a very talented artist who can create beautiful paintings but might struggle to cook a fancy meal. They are really good at one thing, but not so great at others. That's how narrow AI works. Now, you might be wondering, where do I see narrow AI? The answer is everywhere. You know the virtual assistant on your phone? The one who tells you the weather when you ask? That's narrow AI. The system that recommends movies on your streaming platform based on what you watched before? That's also narrow AI. Or take the example of spam filters in our email. They learn from the emails we mark as spam and get really good at identifying similar ones in the future. This is a perfect example of how narrow AI uses machine learning, which is a part of AI that helps computers learn from data. It's like when you learn to ride a bike. You fall a few times, but eventually you figure out how to balance and pedal at the same time. Similarly, narrow AI learns from mistakes and gets better over time. Also, have you ever played a video game against a computer and wondered how it could be so good? That's because the game uses narrow AI to learn your strategies and predict your moves. It's programmed to be good at the specific game, but if you tried to make it play a different game, it would be completely lost. Narrow AI has lots of benefits. For one, it can do tasks faster and more accurately than humans can. For example, a human might take a few minutes to solve a complex math problem, but a computer using narrow AI can solve it in just a few seconds. And because it's so good at specific tasks, it can also do jobs that are dangerous or boring for humans. But narrow AI isn't perfect. It's really good at the tasks it's programmed to do, but it can't handle new tasks or think creatively like a human can. It's also dependent on the quality of the data it's given. If you give it wrong or biased data, it will produce incorrect or biased results. This is like studying for a test with a faulty textbook. You might memorize everything perfectly, but your answers will still be wrong. In conclusion, Narrow AI is a powerful tool that helps us in many areas of our lives, from entertainment and shopping to work and communication. It's like a very talented specialist who's amazing at one job but can't do much else. Even though it has limitations, the possibilities of what it can do are very exciting. As technology advances, we'll see even more amazing things from Narrow AI in the future. So, next time when you ask your virtual assistant to play your favorite song or set an alarm for you, remember, you are interacting with a type of AI, Narrow AI to be precise. General AI. General Artificial Intelligence or General AI refers to a type of artificial intelligence that possesses the capability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge in a broad array of tasks similar to how humans operate. Imagine a robot that can do your laundry, cook your favorite dishes, help with your homework, and even converse with you on a multitude of topics just like a human friend. That's the vision for General AI. Let's break down the concept. AI is simply an umbrella term for machines or computer programs that can mimic human intelligence. This can be anything from recognizing speech, learning from experiences, understanding complex problems, and making informed decisions. General AI takes this concept a step further. Instead of being proficient in just one task, like playing chess or recognizing faces, which we call Narrow AI, a General AI system can perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. It's like having a general purpose tool that can be used in any situation. So, why is General AI important? Its potential is enormous. For instance, it can revolutionize healthcare by providing accurate and personalized treatments, transform education with highly adaptive learning systems, and significantly enhance our productivity by taking over mundane tasks. However, the development of General AI is a significant scientific and technological challenge. A crucial aspect of General AI is its ability to learn. Just like humans learn from experiences and adapt over time, General AI systems would be capable of similar learning and adapting processes. This involves training the AI systems with vast amounts of data, allowing them to recognize patterns, draw conclusions, and continuously improve their performance. This characteristic makes them highly versatile and efficient. General AI is an exciting area that could one day let machines do many things as humans do. We are still far from making this a reality, but we are making progress. This progress is changing our world, bringing both great opportunities and big challenges. If we handle this carefully and morally, we can make sure AI is a helpful tool, not a problem, assisting us in solving hard issues and improving our world. Super intelligent AI. Let's talk about super intelligent AI, which is truly the stuff of science fiction. When you hear the term super intelligent AI, think of it as a brainy whiz kid of the AI world, only far smarter. This type of AI doesn't just excel at a single task like narrow AI or creates new things like generative AI. Instead, super intelligent AI can potentially outperform humans at pretty much every economically valuable job. It's like having Einstein, Mozart, and Picasso all rolled into one and then some. Right now, super intelligent AI is just a theoretical concept. We don't have the technology yet to create this level of AI. But it's an interesting and exciting idea to think about. What could we accomplish if we had an intelligence that could solve problems faster and better than any human? Imagine if we had a super intelligent AI that could predict and respond to natural disasters, saving countless lives, or an AI that could analyze complex medical data and discover cures for diseases that we're struggling with, or even an AI that could solve our most pressing environmental problems like climate change or plastic pollution. The possibilities are endless and mind-blowing. However, super intelligent AI also raises a lot of questions and concerns. One of the biggest is, how can we control something that's smarter than we are? It's like trying to teach a toddler to control a car. It's simply not equipped to handle it. If a super intelligent AI decides to do something harmful, we might not have the ability to stop it. Another concern is about jobs. If super intelligent AI can do everything better than humans, what jobs will be left for us? We might need to completely rethink our economies and societies. There are also ethical questions to consider. Should we even create something that could potentially be dangerous? And if we do, who is responsible if something goes wrong? It is the creators of the AI, the people who use it, or the AI itself. Despite these challenges, the idea of super intelligent AI is fascinating. It pushes the boundaries of what's possible and forces us to think deeply about our values and our future. Even if we never achieve true super intelligent AI, the journey towards it will undoubtedly lead to many exciting discoveries and advancements. In conclusion, super intelligent AI is like the ultimate brainiac of the AI world, with the potential to outperform humans in nearly every aspect. While it's currently just a theoretical concept, it's a fascinating area of study that holds immense promise and daunting challenges. As we continue to advance in our understanding and development of AI, it will be interesting to see how the concept of super intelligent AI evolves. So, the next time you watch a sci-fi movie or read a futuristic novel featuring a hyper-intelligent machine, remember that's super intelligent AI you are imagining. Let's do something interesting. Create a table in your diary or notebook with 3 columns. Add 3 titles to each column: narrow AI, generative AI, and super intelligent AI. Differentiate between them by mentioning the points that you remember or have understood until now. Show this to your learning faculty at the center.